So, what is poetic drama? Poetic drama is a form of drama in which the dialogue is written in verse rather than prose. But this definition is only the surface. In reality, poetic drama is a fusion of the structure of drama, plot, characters, conflict, the beauty of poetry, rhythm, imagery, symbolism. This combination allows the writer to explore deep emotional and philosophical realities in a highly artistic way. Poetic drama is not just about telling a story, it is about elevating human experience. Here, the playwright chooses poetry instead of simple language for a play. He makes characters speak in rhythm, metaphor, and symbolism. In this way, he enhances the meaning and beauty through the power of expression. Philosophical depth of poetic drama. In poetic drama, characters are not just living their lives, they are constantly questioning their existence. Poetic drama frequently explores existential questions. These are questions about existence itself, such as, why are we here? What is the purpose of life? Does life have any meaning at all? For example, in the works of William Shakespeare, especially in Hamlet, the famous question, to be or not to be, reflects a deep existential crisis. 2. The nature of human suffering. Another central theme is the nature of human suffering. Poetic drama does not treat suffering as just a physical or external problem. Instead, it explores emotional pain, psychological conflict, spiritual struggle. Characters often go through inner torment, guilt, regret, or despair. For instance, tragic heroes in poetic drama suffer not only because of circumstances, but also because of their own thoughts and emotions. This makes their suffering more universal and relatable. 3. Fate versus free will. One of the most powerful philosophical conflicts in poetic drama is the tension between fate and free will. Fate suggests that everything is already decided. Free will suggests that humans have control over their choices. Poetic drama often places characters in situations where they struggle between these two forces. For example, are we responsible for our actions, or are we simply following a destiny we cannot escape? In plays like Macbeth, Shakespeare explores how ambition, prophecy, and choice interact, raising the question, was Macbeth controlled by fate, or did he choose his own path? 4. Search for identity and meaning. Another major philosophical concern is the search for identity. Characters in poetic drama often ask, who am I? What defines me? What is my place in the world? This search is not simple. It is filled with confusion, doubt, and self-reflection. In modern poetic drama, especially in works by T.S. Eliot, characters struggle with spiritual emptiness and identity crisis in a modern, fragmented world. 5. Focus on inner experience. Now here is the most important point. Poetic drama moves beyond external action and focuses on inner experience. In ordinary drama, we might see physical conflict, social situations, visible actions. But in poetic drama, the real drama happens inside the mind and heart of the character. Thoughts, emotions, and reflections become the main action. 6. Emotion over action. This leads us to a powerful idea. In poetic drama, what a character feels is more important than what they do. A character may stand still on stage doing nothing, but inside they may be experiencing fear, doubt, love, existential crisis. And this internal struggle becomes the true drama. Illustrative example. Let's understand this with a simple comparison. In a prose drama, a character might fight an enemy physically. In poetic drama, the same character might struggle with fear, guilt, or moral conflict even before taking any action. So the focus shifts from action to emotion and thought. Critical insight. This is why poetic drama is often considered more intellectual and reflective. It invites the audience not just to watch, but to think, feel, and question their own existence.